What's happening, Deep Family? It's your boy Ryan King coming from Deep Family. Today we at the Exposure Corner. Today we'll be covering another exciting episode from the guys representing Wimmo Park. What an awesome time to have these guys today. Before I dive into that, I just want to bring you guys our Aware On clothing. Then we have a t-shirt there on my left hand side. I have a nice hoodie there on my right hand side. If you guys are interested in the Aware On clothing merch, please message the Exposure Corner. You guys know this is the place where every artist deserves a platform, guys. Today I'm joined by Marvio, artist out of Wimmo Park. Bro, give us a short introduction of who you are and what we can expect from you today.
Hey everybody, welcome. Thank you for tuning in. First off, I'd like to say thank you for this opportunity. It is with great excitement and pleasure. I'm very happy to be here. An artist from Wimmo Park, under the Wimmo Art record label, Marvio. We came a long way, man. Came a long way, even though people don't really know about it. But yeah, man, you know, we worked hard for this. And it's a pleasure to be here, it's an honor. I just hope you guys enjoy the music. Whenever you're ready, Deep Link Exposure Corner, Marvio, it's another one.
Thank you so much for having you here, Marvi. Just a few questions before we dive into it. Tell us a little bit about Wimmo Art Records. Ek ken almal wel weet van Wimmo Art. I know you guys are doing big things there in Wimmo Park. So, tunes are lekker goed, man.
Ja, nee, dat is waar. Ons doen goeders. Ons probeer altijd om die community eerst te zetten. It's all about the community. Dat is de reden hoekom ons het beginnen doen. Muziek wat ons allemaal kan vrijlaat, mentally, you know, physically, spiritually. Ons allemaal wil ons zelfs verbeteren. En ons laat move away. Die leven voor ons geheren daar zo. Ons heeft die change gezocht. Het heeft lang gevat om te komen. En ons wil die change brengen. Dat is wat maar basically.
And that in itself is the inspiration. Bro, ek myself kry dan goosebumps. Ek kan nog net nie wees, ek het 'n lang mou aan. Maar that's the inspiration we're talking about, man. We want to bring change in. Ons wil hy verbetering bring in ons gemeenskap. En dis hoekom ons so dope ouens het soos julle. Wat se numbers kan ons verwag hierso vandag, mee bro?
Ja, nee, ons het sagtes. Ons het woordes. Maar die moral van die story is, kyk hier, ons gaan rap oor lewe vandag, ons gaan praat oor die dinge wat ons deurgaan. Jy weet, it is not always a sunny day out here, man. So we're gonna have those hardships here. We're gonna have the times when we were down and the moments when we were happy. That's all we're trying to bring today.
Lovely guys. So, with all due respect, Marvio, guys, thank you all for coming out. Let us enjoy the music. This is where the link is much deeper than you think. And you guys know you're at the Exposure Corner. Everybody deserves a platform. Danko.
Hey, we ready? Yeah. This one's called Life. But sentimental for the ladies. Wanna let y'all know we appreciate y'all.
Hey. Yeah. Lord, I thank you for helping me become a better person. I had manners that made my parents tell me join the circus. Everything on the surface was joy and happiness. You dig a little deeper and you find out I've been stressed or a little depressed. Don't know what I was feeling, too young to understand, so I thought I had valid reasons. Whether it be trying to fit in or even trying to get in. Some ladies skirt just for the fun, they wouldn't even mean it. Maybe they didn't care, I'm consoling myself. Maybe cause I was drunk, don't remember to say what's up. I got faded cause I was dumb, lifted cause I was down. Speechless when I got asked why I never tried to reach out. Why would I even matter? Figured it'd be too late. Probably got you a man who's taking you on a date every now and then, just to let you know you're special. Be thankful, cause niggas like me only gon' neglect you. And love is hard to find, not for the lack of trying. Sometimes we're in denial, so we'll take anyone who's fine. Rewind and think about how you wasted your time. Not saying that I'm bad, I just don't know what I like yet. You should get someone nice, although nobody's perfect. One day you might look back and you're gon' realize it was worth it. Wedding vows you rehearse it, cause you might end up married, and I'll be happy for you. I promise I won't get jealous. Well, maybe just a little, cause your last name won't be Simpson. I hope you can forgive me for all of my future actions. I pull up at the altar like, baby, you can't do better. Just playing, no really, I just hope you don't forget me. As for your whole new chapter, treat it with respect, cause any girl can snatch him up and you're gon' end up back here with me. And even though it all start off with laughter, you're gon' end up in tears talking about fuck all these rappers with no happily ever after. It happens, I hate to be the one to teach you that type of lesson, cause life's a queen, and sometimes that queen can be ratchet, cause one minute you're royal, next minute you're just a peasant.
Thank you. Thank you. This one's called Respect.
Yeah. Die type beat wat sal maak 'n man moet trap. Focus op my lewe, dan verloor ek nog 'n vriend. Dink maar nou die meeste lyk ek hou my op nou slim. Maar ek dink aan mense wat my sê hulle het my lief. Ek probeer my beste elke dag as jy wil weet. Ek was ook 'n spinner op 'n tyd, wie sal so sê. Kom ook uit 'n mop uit, op soek na 'n bier. Maar ons het survive, ek en no motorreis neef. Ek verlang vir Shivo. Ek verlang vir Shivo, wonder wat sou hy nou sê. Mense like makkelijk, hulle het jou rug, maar as die dag kom wat jy flop aan hulle weg. Ek moet laaste praat. Ek ken my recovery het lang gevat. For 2 years I was chilling in the yard. Ek het skaars my bras around geslaan, net ek in hom zeiks. As alright, dis wat ek sê, alluseer het is. Somtyds voel ek nodig 'n therapist. Ander dae dan blom ek na, dan worry ek oor niksie. Maar dan mors ek geld, dan word ek wrong en maak ek skuld. Ek vat ook lang om skaam te raak of groot te word. My ma en pa het klaar gepraat, like kykie boy, jy moet begin jou oë oopmaak. En hulle streng, maar alles reg, dus hoekom ek nog respect het vir mense wat my ken. Kleine zin, maar ek wys my ouens los hy kak. Hy shit maak aan net die ouens aan die slap. Maar hoe kan ek judge? Ouens sê is beter as 'n kassie draak. Kyk hoe voorraak het in Jaffie's pak. Dus hoekom ons begin het met one more act, om mense te help. Ek weet het lyk nog net ons Jaffie zak. Maar should we let it go? Should we let it go? I wonder if we should let it go, let it go, let it go. I wonder if we should let it go. Like, does it even matter? Relationship on the rocks, plans to buy a diamond, know I'm always messing up. Without even trying, I need space to figure out just who have I been since I met you. And I know I've changed, I can't deny it. I'm focused on the part that we got each other's heart. So why we gotta fight over the small shit? We should talk. Action speaks louder than a broken heart. Silent cries of a woman hurt. Take a walk, cause I can't stand to see you in tears. Apologies, make mistakes, I repeat it for years, I never learned. Though I'm still keeping you near, and I will never leave your side. Hope I'm making it clear. Till death do us part, and I leave from this world. I'm gonna wrap you in my arms like I'm doing this song. Picture me, hold on to me baby, let's make history. Take you to places you've never been, cause we a team. Might not believe me now, but one day you gon' see. Just waiting on the cream, but this shit is taking long, man, that's why I got a job. Life goes on, so there ain't no need to sit around. You do something different and these niggas clown. So who a clown? It could be a mission trying to prove yourself. So be yourself and live your life. So many distractions, they just want you off balance. They need a reaction, otherwise they just jealous. Take it from me, I'm not the smartest around, but if you know what I mean, you probably see you need to let it go. You probably see you need to let it go. You need to let it go. I wonder if you could let it go, let it go, let it go. I wonder if you can let it go. Like, does it even matter? They killing our brothers and I'm ashamed, cause I ain't done nothing about it. I feel the pain when they paint the picture. No, he tried to steal a rob, so we had to hit him. If that was your kid, wonder what you say. To be continued, conversation for another day. Gotta watch your back, colored man. They use any excuse to take you out the game, which is strange cause ain't nobody playing. This is life, we roll the dice and make mistakes, but you're better than us, right? And your life is worth more than ours. I get it, well let me see if I do. We ain't shit and we don't do nothing for this country, cause all we do is take, right? I wake up, say a prayer at the sight of first light. Lord forgive me for this verse like a bird, right? But I gotta say what's on my mind, otherwise I'm wasting time trying to rhyme. Kicking something real to you, cause you never know, today could be your last in this world. Did you get to love? Did you feel alone? Did you grow?
Let me know. Alright. Hey, something deep.
Don't always seem to go that you don't know what you've got till it's gone. Don't always seem to go that you don't know what you've got till it's gone. Don't always seem to go that you don't know what you've got till it's gone. You don't know what you've got till it's
I'm thinking about the people in my life that I'm no longer connected to. Childhood friends, first love, family too. Said we never break up, but had to go our separate ways, hoping everything we had never fades. You remember the time we went to DBN? It was pretty hot, beach fun, plus I couldn't swim. Too afraid to try, scared to drown, just a little kid, wondering if I would ever outgrow all these silly things. Ain't it crazy how we picture the future like adding filters with captions that captures how we'd be living? It's so intriguing. I mean, if you had a chance to repeat it, would you do the same? Funny how we say things change, but we still the same. I finally know my worth. For so long I've been hurt, and I know I deserve everything inside this world, cause I've been in the dirt, needed work, standing on the corners with the homies cracking jokes, laughing through the pain with a broken heart, trying to stand tall, don't wanna fall apart. Welkom naar de WAP, this is one more art. Vision so vivid and it's just the start. Wishing on a star when it's really dark. This lifestyle got you looking dumb when you're smart. Please don't try to play me, I can see the hate from afar. I've been on the run, but I still keep it 10 toes down, sticking to the sound. I started from the ground, although many see me as an underdog. Coming up, I proceed to maintain a pace, it's a marathon. Running fast, don't know what you got till it's gone. God grace, shout out to the fam, this is love. I pray y'all gon' understand what I'm on. Got a lot of bros and they say I could blow. I don't wanna know, like my name Mario. This is Mario, consider myself a poet. And I got flow, Hurricane De Niro. But your one piece didn't mean to destroy you. Love don't live here, but I built a home for you. Hoping you could stay, don't you say I ain't loyal. I've been on the play, though I'm still the same. I got mad love for you, but I'm trying to make a change. Wait, ain't you the one that said don't get jealous? I'm handsome, you beautiful, so there's always gonna be distractions.
Another one, let's get it. You know me.
Iiwaat ne die jongens maar net lekker stoeien ne maar die vrouw ook aan waar gaan ne nou jullie man nog een paar jaar niet verstaan maar goed we gaan nog aan ne bra lekker we boeken niet ook aan dag gaan goed aan yo die boeken niet yo verstaan
Sim, mas é, daí
10, 111, I got a case of dying young. This shit is in my blood, now any day I feel it coming. And I can't keep on running like I'm being hunted. So I'ma stand and face the reaper like a man, I'm troubled by the thoughts that's in my head, can't even share that with the fam. When I try to tell somebody, they're like, here we go again. Please, stop talking all that shit, you ain't depressed. You just want some attention, you a man, you ain't a kid. So what I do, fall back into a trance, act like it ain't a thing, ask God to give me strength. I've been faded for so long, I might be better off dead, cause I wouldn't feel a thing. And who would care in the cycle called life? It's really hard to spotlight in somebody you don't really know, been through them hard nights. And I ain't stopping there either, I'ma say what's on my heart until I meet the reaper, man, I gotta share. Can I holler at you? Can I holler at you? Hey, can I holler at you? And yeah, I know it's been a while, but ain't no better time than now. Can I holler at you? Can I holler at you? Hey, let me holler at you. And yeah, I know it's been a while, but I'm hoping I don't have to say too much for you to understand what's up. I never got a chance to tell you how I feel about the way that we've been acting like we're enemies or something. But we grew up together, you forgot that like concussions. I never mind the hate, cause I know half of it is fake. And the love they got for me is the reason they going crazy. Say goodbye to everybody who don't wanna see me make it. Hello to everybody who supported me, I'm grateful. I had a lot of issues I've been working on, and if I never hit you back, you're probably one of those. But hey, don't worry about me, I know I'm just another nigga. I figure you don't care about somebody, you should leave them. Instead of making them feel like you'll never really need them, then hide a lot of shit from them and deceive them. The world is so cold with nobody you can run to. I used to turn to you, can't believe what this shit has come to. Can I holler at you? Can I holler at you? Hey, can I holler at you? And yeah, I know it's been a while, but ain't no better time than now. Can I holler at you? Can I holler at you? Hey, let me holler at you. And yeah, I know it's been a while, but yeah, look, life is simple. You dig a little deeper and you find out that this shit is complicated like the system, and can't no one escape it. The only way to make it is to find out what you want and go and take it. Don't mistake it for all that fake shit. You gotta be true, cause if you wanna make it out, then you gotta be you. Say, man, I just wanna be proud of you too. Holler at me when you're ready, you're still part of the crew. I never threw you away or discarded the memories that we made back in the day. If that was the case, I wouldn't be talking to you. What more can I say? I got a feeling you're just mad cause I'm all in your face, but I gotta give it to you straight, cause you're my homie, the only one who truly know me. And if it changes, I won't hate it, but it's hard to lose a brother. I wipe my tears away another day as I wonder if I could holler at you. Can I holler at you? Hey, can I holler at you? And yeah, I know it's been a while, but ain't no better time than now. Can I holler at you? Can I holler at you? Hey, let me holler at you. And yeah, I know it's been a while, but
die jongens maar net lekker stoeien, nee, maar die vrouw ook aan. Maar gaan naar nou, in de moment nog een paar niet verstaan.
Yeah, I got dreams, yeah, I'm living local, but for every dime see, I'll be an outlaw. I'm sure I'm not a king, what's me without God? Cause everybody needs, so we try to get more. Yeah, I got dreams, yeah, I'm living local, but for every dime see, I'll be an outlaw. I'm sure I'm not a king, what's me without God? Cause everybody needs, so we try to get more. As I approach steady, my heart beats with every second I get mental on these beats. Or maybe I'm crazy, I'm just saying I need these for clarity. Never been anything that could reach me, apparently so. I had a feeling not to show no emotion, cause I saw they say they feel you, but their actions they show that they don't. So Lord forgive me if I'm lacking in hope, but I can't let anybody get me back to the flow. Yeah, I got dreams, yeah, I'm living local, but for every dime see, I'll be an outlaw. I'm sure I'm not a king, what's me without God? Cause everybody needs, so we try to get more. Yeah, I got
dreams, yeah, I'm living local. But for every dime see, I'll be an outlaw. I'm sure I'm not a king. What's me without God? Cause everybody needs, so we try to get
Niet voor die ouwens gemang was. Altijd samen als ons nagebeland was. Bol in die straat en hij was maar van geld. Dus laat vanavond voor ons aftrek. Split ons maar geld. Is 12 o'clock. Pas kwaad, ik kan niet dankie. Je maakt weer vanavond. Los nog bikkie om zo kom te rook. Ik wil je liggen, I'm addicted to the sticky. Call me sweetie, hello Vizzy. Mavio, you don't say easy. I don't want nobody, but your body's up against me. I know how you like taking up new positions. Don't let anybody in your business. Dear God, hear me. Do not forget me. I need you with me. These trees seem to get way too cold. Do you feel me? Hope I'm not offending anybody. I believe in spirit.
Yeah, I got dreams, yeah, I'm living local. But for every dime see, I'll be an outlaw. I'm sure I'm not a king. What's me without God? Cause everybody needs, so we try to get more. Yeah, I got dreams, yeah, I'm living local. But for every dime see, I'll be an outlaw. I'm sure I'm not a king. What's me without God? Cause everybody needs, so we try to get more.
Thank you all for listening. Avio.
There was now such a great performance from Mavio representing Wimmer Art Records. I just want to move this out of the way so I can give Mavio a proper interview. Mavio, that was now the dopest performance we had here at the Exposure Corner. Of those songs, what's your personal favorite?
Yo, right. That's deep. That's a good question. Out of those ones, I'd have to go with Respect. I'd have to go with Respect. Even though I'm in love with life and Can I Let You is another one, but I'd have to go with Respect. That's the one that really got me thinking and what I can do. So that's the one that made me, you know.
Great stuff, man. Tell us what inspires your writing.
It would have to be honesty. That's the only way I actually can write. Because the moment I start writing something I don't feel or, you know, it's not natural. So I don't let it happen. All I do is I get there, I do my thing, I write from the heart. And even if, you know, it's not going to paint me in any sort of good light, as long as it's from an honest place, then, you know, I do it. That's the way it comes from, because honesty is the reason why I am this person today. I couldn't have made it without freeing myself first, you know.
So you guys heard the place that his music writing comes from. So where can we find this music for those who want to go and listen, stream, or download for that matter?
Oh yeah, okay. On Facebook, obviously. I don't know if you guys know Wimmer Art Records. You can get us on Facebook. You can get us on YouTube as well. We have a few songs on Slick On Live, so you can go there. Mavio, remember, it's what you search, you find it. Wimmer Art Records. Hope you enjoy and hope you enjoy yourself. Thank you, Ryan.
Dankie my broer. Nog 'n laaste enetjie. Word of the day?
Word of the day.
Word of the day.
Gotta keep going. Keep it going. Yeah.
Julle het gehoor van Mavio, guys, keep it going. One last thing for your listeners. What would you like to share with your listeners, whether it's something personal, something you just like to know for them that look up to you and that also would like to follow in your footsteps?
Oh, that's a good one. What I can say is, for anyone listening out there, for those who are listening, for me, is to be yourself. You know, you can never fail when you truly are yourself. So nobody's perfect. You are gonna make mistakes. You are bound to fall. But as long as you get up and you know what you want in life, I'm sure you're gonna make it. I'm sure you're gonna make it.
Where everybody deserves a platform, and you guys can see we're doing the most, man. Your guy Mavi, coming to you live straight out of Wimmer Park Records, guys. Don't forget, we got our way on clothing. If you guys are interested in our merch, contact the Exposure Corner. And also, if you want to appear on the Exposure Corner, do yourself a favor, contact the Exposure Corner. Platform is open to anybody and everybody that believes they got what it takes. Danko. Ek is julle boy Ryan King en julle kennis dit lekker goed in gepak. And I also want to give a shout out to everybody that's here today. You guys made it. So, ja, nee, danko guys.